Let us see the next mantra. Next Valli, number one mantra. What is there? In this Valli, there are 3 topics discussed. In Valli 3, chapter 1, how many mantras are there? 17 mantras. First Valli had how many mantras? 29. Second, 25. Third, 17 mantras. Oh, what is mentioned? There are 3 topics. Vidya Sadhan, Vidya and Vidya Phalam. The means of knowledge, knowledge and the fruit of knowledge. These are the 3 things mentioned in this mantra, in this Valli. Means of knowledge, second is the knowledge, and third is the fruit of knowledge. Okay. So first 2 is telling about the Jivatma and Paramatma. First 2 mantras are telling about the Jivatma and Paramatma. And almost from third mantra to 9th mantra, there is a sadhan mentioned. I'll come to it later. Now you have to be very, very careful. There is something called mirror. Mirror. What is a mirror? Mirror is that in which the face is reflected, is called mirror. Only face. No, not face. I mean anything if you keep in front of the mirror, it is reflected. Okay. Reflected, yes. That is a mirror. That is a mirror. In the mirror, the space is reflected or not? Huh? The mirror, the space is there. Space, this is space. Is the space reflected in the mirror? In the mirror you see a face, but there is a space reflected in the mirror also. Okay. That mirror which is there, it is in space also. That mirror is kept in space, you know. That which gives a space, this is space, avakashat. So, mirror is in the space. But space is also in the mirror. One is reflected space in the mirror. Other is the original space in which the mirror is there. Supposing this is a mirror. So, this is a mirror. So this mirror, this is in the space. This is the space. But in this also, there is a reflection of the space. So there is a mirror in the space also, and there is a reflected space in the mirror also. Okay, just keep this in mind. But only in the mirror. Supposing I keep a watch. In this watch, the reflection is not there of the space. Okay, understood. No problem at all. I think I'm fine. There is a reflecting medium is there. There is one reflecting medium called mind. Mind. Mind is a reflecting medium. Now you have not been told about apanchikrit panchamahabhut, etc. But mind reflects. Mind has a typical instrument. Mind is made from a very subtle part of food. This comes in Chandogya Upanishad, where Shvetketu is asked to fast. Mind is made from a subtle part of food. Very subtle part. Well, how do I know? Because if you stop eating, you can't think. 16 days he fasted. Shvetketu. Well, who is Shvetketu? Any SUP student? No. He is the student in Chandogya Upanishad, like you have here. Nachiketa is in Kathopanishad. He is a student of Chandogya Upanishad. Well, what Upanishad? Chandogya. Okay. Chanduk. No, Chandogya. So, his father was a teacher. He taught him, if you also don't believe, please fast. So after few days you will find my mind is not working. And after fasting a lot, you try to write notes. After 4 days of fasting, you write notes. Your mind won't work. Or you write Sanskrit or try to by heart the shlokas or by heart the Sanskrit ones. Slowly you will say, I can't. If X is there, then Y is there. And if X is gone, Y is gone. X is the cause of Y. If X is there, then Y is there. And if X is not there, Y is not there. So X is the cause of Y. Yat sattve tat sattvam yad abhavi tad abhavam. This is called Anvay and Vyatirik. So because the food taking away, again if you feed the person, again he'll be active. This is what happens in Chandogya. So there is don't think gross food, the subtle food is there. And that subtle food makes the mind. All food are not same. Food has impact on the mind also. Therefore, those who are terribly non-vegetarian animals, who only eat, their mind is very ferocious. And cow is different. Their tendencies are different. Now this mind is a very subtle reflecting agent. Mind is inert or consciousness. Inert or consciousness? Inert. Some are only quiet, well, I don't take any risk. Mind is inert. Just now I said because it is made from food and therefore mind will be inert. Because it is seen. If mind is inert, please tell me one thing. Because you see the mind, therefore mind is inert. Inert mind can be sentient because of the touch of conscience. Now, in that mind, there is a reflection of the consciousness in the mind. Again, in the mind, there is a reflection of the consciousness. Because of the reflection of the consciousness in the mind, or you can say thoughts, what happens? I is reflected in the thought. When I is reflected in the thought, so on the thought of sadness, if the I is reflected, then I have an experience, I am sad. Now tell me, this statement that I am sad, is this a statement of mind with the consciousness or only consciousness? Mind with the consciousness. Right? Only consciousness is not making this statement. The one who is reflected in the mind, he is called Jeev. I have mentioned number 2i. Number 2i, one day I had mentioned about it. And who is reflected and is still not changing, he is called Paramatma. One is Jeev, other is Paramatma. Jeev means what? One who is reflected in the mind. Reflected I in the mind. Then what do you want to say then? I have to say a lot. What do you want to say? If the mind is not okay, generally, if mind is supposing disturbed, then I say today I am disturbed. Why? Because my mind is not okay. So mind is not okay. How come you are not okay? Because I am only knowing my reflected mind. Reflected I. I am not seeing the non-reflected I. This non-reflected I is called the Paramatma, This reflected I is called the Jivatma. Okay. Then what shall I do? Relax. Don't do anything. Not that I'm doing only. These are the two. What is the physical distance between these two? Only I think 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Sure. Okay, make it half millimeter. What's the distance? What is the distance between the total space and that space which is reflected in the mirror? What is so difficult question? Well, mirror or not, but this bookmark is very good, Swamiji. So, I'm not concerned. This bookmark is very good. So, I am asking this question. Who gave you this? Come to the topic. I am saying this, that there is a total space and there is a space which is reflected in the mirror. Both are same or different? Both are same or different? Both spaces? Same. Huh? क्या बोला? हाँ भाई, both are. अच्छा, tell me one thing. Supposing I move the mirror, this space is moving. Outer space. No. But when I move the mirror, the space in the mirror is moving. Yes. Mirror. There is no physical distance between the space which is inside the mirror and the space which is outside. But supposing somebody does not know the outside space, he is only seeing the mirror. He will only know that there is only this space is there. I don't know about that space. This is our condition. This mind, which is the subtle reflector, in that reflection, there is a reflection of consciousness. Anything which is reflected is depending on the reflecting medium. If the reflecting medium is moving, the reflection also will move. That consciousness which is not moving, about which we had 7 points to say, that is a non-moving consciousness. But this consciousness which is inside the mind, and it is coming and going, it is moving consciousness. If I move the mirror, this reflection will move. But that one will not move. Which one? Original one. So there are two consciousnesses. One is OC, other is RC. OC and RC. Don't say OCI card. OC means original consciousness. RC means reflected consciousness. So number one difference is OC is all pervading, but RC is located. Number two difference is OC is unchanging and RC is subject to change. Number three, OC is infinite but RC is finite. Is it okay? Number 4 point, OC is one, RC is one or many. If I have many mirrors, RC is many. All of you have same reflected consciousness or different ones? Reflected RC. All have same or different? Different one, because everybody has different mind. OC is one. Like somebody is very bright like you all. So in that the RC is also white. He is intelligent. Supposing some R medium is very dull. In that, reflected consciousness is dull. In some mind, supposing anger is there, so RC is angry. Some RM is sleepy, supposing. Some reflected medium is sleepy. So he just won't let the class be over. I'll not go to the breakfast. I'll just go back to my bed. Sometimes this thought comes. Sometimes this thought comes that let class be over. And such classes don't get over. बोले बीत ही नहीं रहा है, समय नहीं बीत रहा है. अब रिफ्लेक्टेड मीडियम इज हाईली तमोगुण, सुनाई पड़ नहीं रहा है, तो क्या करें भाई. अब then the RC is also sleepy. In the night, if you read, you will have this experience. And supposing you get up in the morning, nice sleep. How are you? Fine, bright, brilliant. So you are quite awake. Mine, yes, I'm understanding everything. Now RC is reflect. So some RC is saint, some RC is sinner, some RC is athlete, some RC is doctor, some RC is engineer, some RC is criminal. I'm giving the answer. When consciousness is one, why so many jivas are there? These questions people ask. When Atma is one, how there is so many people are there? If Atma is one, why can't I be in him? Whom? That person be, because I'm also in that person, you are also in that person, but he realizing the reflected consciousness and not original one. So RC is, this is the fourth point. RC is many. Fifth point, RC is traveling all the time. It is a movement. Sixth point, RC is doer enjoyer, OC is not doer and enjoyer. I'm trying to differentiate so that your mind can take it. Seventh point, RC always needs a body to express. Body and mind. OC does not need body, etc. So this is the difference between the original consciousness and the reflected consciousness. Is it clear? Little clear? Some clarity will be there. Well, yes, it is clear now. Now what is written here? Let us see the mantra. So both are similar nature or different nature? Totally different nature. When you are crying also, then that OC is not crying. When you are very sad also, that OC is not sad at all. He is only watching. This is mentioned here. In Mundak it was by two birds. And here it is by this Chhaya Tapo. When you are sleeping also, fast asleep, then one OC is not sleeping. When I am lazy, then OC is also not lazy. Supposing I am dying also, then that does not die. Okay. When I am getting old also, I told you, it has nothing to do with that. OC has no relation with RC. This outer space has no relation with the space which is reflected in the mirror. But it is your choice, you behave as OC or RC. What is said here? Let us see here. Ritam pibantau sukratasya loke. Loke here means not world, sharire, in this body. Guham, in this body there is a guha. Guha word had come earlier also twice. And meaning of guha was buddhi. Both are in the buddhi. Buddhi is a reflecting medium. Guham pravishtau parme. Parme means in the sacred space. Parardhe. Ardham here means sthanam, not half. So Paramatma Vas Sthanam. Both are in the intellect. Intellect means reflecting medium. And what are they doing? Who? Both of them. What are they doing? Ritam, they are drinking. My God. There also they are drinking. What they are drinking? Sugarcane juice. अरे नहीं, wait. Ritam pibantav. Ritam here is not a conventional meaning of ritam is truth, but here meaning is karmphala. So he is experiencing fruit of action. Who? OC or RC? RC. What is OC doing then? Wait. Of those who are Sanskrit student, Pibanta word is written. Rama Ramau Ramaha Ramam Ramau Raman. So Pibantu is Dvivachan here. So both are drinking or only one is drinking? Huh? Both होगा तो सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. Then OC will become modifying them. Then Pibanto is written here. Pibanto is both are drinking then. And there is where you need the commentator. And here he says here there is called Chhatri Nyaya. Chhatri Nyaya, umbrella. So Chhatri Nyaya, you know what is there? Chhatri Nyaya means somebody's umbrella is there. And he asks somebody else, so you also join. So both are. So they will say, see, this umbrella is of both. Because of the proximity, as if umbrella belongs to both. Although umbrella is only belonging to the one only. So, patru sambandhat pibanto iti uchyate. Because of their proximity, supposing you walk with a criminal. So if you keep on walking, you may be a saintly person, but people will start believing, dekho, criminal is going. So while saying criminal is going, you also will be taken as a criminal only. And supposing you are walking with a saint, right? Are you living with a saint? Then because of the proximity, although you're not a saint, but because of the proximity, people will say, see, he is a saint. So because of the proximity, the dharma. So here Pibanto word is dual, but although it is only for RC, as if it is mentioned here, but actually it is not for OC. This is a grammatical, not correction, but meaning, indicated meaning is there. So both are experienced at the same place. So who is experiencing fruit of action? Ritam means fruit of action. Why? Satyam avashyam bhavitvat karm phalam. Why it is called Satyam? Because karm phal will definitely come. So he is the bhogi. I am very, very sad today. Why? My fruit of action came today. What is the fruit of action you got? I can't tell you. Lot of fruit of action are coming simultaneously nowadays. I have a boil. What is in the gas stove? Boil is there. No, you don't understand my problem. I have a boil here. Sure. Spinning a lot. So what? I can't walk like that also. If I walk like that, people will say what happened to him. And if I do like that, it pains a lot. Acha? So this fruit of action has come. Yes, it is a boiling fruit. So this fruit of action has come today. Dukh ho raha hai. Don't ask question when I've already said. Don't ask many questions. This is my fruit of action. You claim that this sorrow is yours. Very good. This claimer of sorrow and joy is called RC. Why don't you go to the doctor? After you went to the doctor, pain increased. Pain increased after you went to the doctor. Yes. What doctor? What did doctor do that pain increase? Doctor tried to operate and after that pain increased. Acha. So how to manage? As you have seen in the picture, Rishi Muni are there. So I think you make one stand like that, as you see in the film and serial, and you sit like this without mala. Only thing they have. Another day that person mean bole, I'm very happy today. आज मेरे यार की शादी है. Why are you so happy? I got bonus and promotion both. Today is a very lucky day for me. It's a very lucky day. Every Tuesday is lucky, something happens. Tuesday is lucky day. Yes, lucky day. Very lucky day today is there. I got a good news. Ab I am claiming this joy now. This is called जीव. अच्छा, what about उसका क्या हाल चला आजकल? किसका? ओसी का? What is happening to the OC? कुछ नहीं. When RC was sad, कुछ नहीं. कोई रिलेशन नहीं क्या हमारा उनका? हमारे दुख से कुछ होता ही नहीं उनको. There is no relation between us or what? My sorrow doesn't make him sad. My joy doesn't make him happy. Therefore, I'm saying there is no relation. गन गजाब है, कमाल भाई. रितम पे बंतो किसका? सुकृतस्य. Please hear the students. सुकृत में स्वयं कृतस्य. Of his own actions, रितम पे बंतो. His own actions are coming in the form of fruit of action. कहां पे आ रहा है? Where are they seated? गुहाम प्रविष्टौ परमे परार्धे. In the buddhi, sacred space in the buddhi. Like body is a temple and buddhi is a sanctum. Body is a temple. Temple is a bell also. What is a bell? This tongue is a bell. Ram, Ram, there is a bell. And there is a shikhar also. This is a shikhar. This antenna is a shikhar here. And inside is a sanctum. It's another matter. Some temples are a little bigger. So Guham Pravishtav Parme Pararde. How big the sanctum we don't know. So Parme Pararde. Sanctum. People see temple from outside, but sanctum you have to go. Okay. So this is sanctum, sanctorium, Gurudev used to say. Parme Pararde. Chaya Tapau Iva. If you do the Anvay, full stop is not there actually. So Chaya Tapau. Chaya Tapau means like shadow. Dekho kya example. Shadow and Atap means what? Atap means light, sunlight. They are different like this. Who is like shadow? RC. Which is RC? Jivatma. And what is the Paramatma? OC. That is like the sunlight. Ab Chaya, you cannot catch Chaya. Bole, I can catch Chaya and keep in my box. When it is too hot, I'll take it out. What? That shadow which is there, you cannot take. Well, 5 kg shadow give me. You can't catch Chaya. Chaya doesn't have any reality, but it gives protection. It can take away your heat, and if it is cold, it will give you cold if you stand under a shadow. देखो जीव को छाया बना दिया. क्या आज जीव है छाया. छाया is not a reality. देखिए आप, one more place, Prashnopnishad also Jeev has been mentioned as Chaya. This is called Pratibimbavad. So, Chaya Atapau. This is the meaning here. I hope you are clear. RC and OC. One is a reflected consciousness, one is the original consciousness, and this Jeev is a reflected consciousness. I am very happy today, my instrument is very nice. Tomorrow I am very sad, then I am very successful, then I am very, very bright, I am very, very tall now, I am very, very short, I am very, very upset. All this is going on. As is the thought, so is I. And this reflection is not true. Not true. No. Why? Because any experience you can't hold on to. any experience, any sadness experience also won't be there for a long time. It will go away. Angry experience also, anger also will go away. Are you getting this point? It cannot be held, and therefore it is mithya. Chaya atapau iva vilakshanau bhavata. Both are totally different. Who are different? This Jivatma and Paramatma, by nature they are different, although they are at the same place, but they are having totally opposite nature. Okay, very good. Achha. And supposing RC leaves the body, RC leaves the body, then what will happen? Then after that, death. RC chali gayi. Our mind has gone. So mind has gone, the body is not as good as anything. There is no person. Then you say it's a body only. Body has come. When some person comes, you don't say, hey, body has come. Then you use the word, somebody has come. You say, body has come. So the person will be afraid that body has come. You have to know somebody. No, not some, only body has come. No, but I think then don't bring inside. The body is there only, don't bring inside. It should not be here, body. Why? Whose body is there? We चले गए RC बस छुट्टी इनकी. This is the history. But I said as number 1 I and number 2 I only. So what shall I do? Nothing. So what is meditation? Travel. Travel where? From RC to OC. RC to OC, how to travel there? It's not travel in space. It's not traveling in space. It is traveling in understanding. Understand that what? That I am not RC. I am not affected by anything. So who says this is one sentence? Evam Brahma Vidaha Badanti. Knower of Brahma know this. Full stop. Similarly, Trinachiketa was there, if you remember. There was 3 meaning of Agni. Believe it, not told it. Acha? 3 meaning of Agni was there. I'm not going to ask. Specific fire kindled in a specific way by specific mantras. 1 meaning. 2nd, ritual. 3rd, Virat. Some who don't know, they are also happy. So that is called. So here Panchagnaya. So who have lit 5 Agnis. This is number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 1 meaning. Trinachiketa. Here the meaning number 2. Who have thrice done Nachiketa Agni Upasana. So both Badanti verb is going with both. This, that Paramatma and Jivatma are 2 different things. This is known by told by knower of Brahma also. And this is also told by the one who do Karma Kanda also. Both are saying this statement. So first part is statement made that there is OC and RC. And they are totally of different nature. And second part of the statement says, this has been said by one who know the Atma and also one who are doing the rituals also. The 2 parts of the mantra. I hope you have clarified.